Welcome back to Power Lunch and to Three Stock Lunch for a Wednesday. We're going to look at three key movers of the day. Here with our trades, Bill Strazzullo, Bell Curve Trading. First up, Bill, labor negotiations for Boeing dragging on as machinist strike nears its fourth week. No resolution. Sounds like the negotiations have broken off. Plus, Boeing weighing options for raising cash as the S&P puts Boeing on negative credit watch. Your trade on this beleaguered company.
Yeah, Tyler, this is definitely a sale all day long. I mean, still significant financial, reputational risk, production risk. I mean, financially, every month that the stock or the strike goes on, it's $1.5 billion cash burn. Production-wise, you look at the production in 2023 through September, they sold 371 jets. This year through September, 291 jets. That's a big drop-off. And then lastly, reputationally, there's still a lot of skeptics, myself included, in regards to the product, the management team, the ability to turn this around. So for the people watching the show, you take advantage of any strength here and fade this. I think Boeing goes down to $120 to $100 a share. So even from here, I think there's a pretty steep drop-off going forward.
Wow. All right.
Bleak outlook there.
Yeah. Again, it's something all investors with their exposure to the Dow and everything should have in mind. Let's move along to Generac, which is up about 20% in the past month. Of course, a lot of demand for more generator backups because of storm season. The CEO saying pressure on the power grid is only going to get worse from weather and technology. The shares are now about unchanged on the day, Bill. What would you do here?
I think Generac's a hold. Look, I generally don't like a name like this because it's got a really lousy chart, topped out over 500 in the fall of 2021. Still, from that period of time, the average long position is up around 220. So you've got sellers all the way down. People are still in very bad long positions. But the difference between Generac and Boeing is that Generac has a really positive, bullish short-term catalyst, and that's the hurricane season. Bad for us, good for them, good for generator sales. And so the stock's trading around 170. I think it goes to 190, 200. You want to hold on to it. There's another 10 to 15% of upside here. And then I would fade any move above 200.
All right, very interesting. Let's look finally at Reddit, shall we? Shares are higher today. On a few analyst calls, Jefferies initiating coverage, bullish view on ad strength and AI deals. Needham raising a price target to 85 from 75. Maintaining its buy rating. What's your trade here on Reddit?
Definitely a buy, Tyler. Look, the daily account following here is up 27% since the end of 2022. It's consistently one of the top 10 rated websites in terms of visits around the world. So I think it hits all the metrics, and it broke out in September of 2024. I want to buy this name a little bit lower than where it is right now. I'd buy it 65 to 70, and I think eventually it trades to $100 a share. So this is definitely, I think, a name that has significant upside going forward.